Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, I did promise I was going to upload more regularly this weekend. The weather is absolutely terrible. It's a Friday. I just got off of work, but we're doing something a little bit exciting that is not exactly on brand, but we're destroying my car. Not the LS.
What in the...
So, I bought a daily off of my roommate, Ryan, I don't know how many months ago. Bought it for really cheap. It's kind of a pile of shit, but it went for a little while, and then I started having some issues with it. The water pump kind of went bad. I got a new water pump, and before it came in, I was driving home from work one day, and this was obviously right before Simply Clean, and I was trying to get my LS done, and the 17 belt went, so nothing was turning the water pump. And I didn't want to stop and sit around and wait for somebody to fucking come save me because I had to come home and rush to get the LS done. So I just kept driving it and it overheated like crazy and it doesn't sound so good now. But last weekend, my buddy Sid came over and he asked if he could just give me the scrap value for the car so that he could use it for King of the Heap this weekend, which, if you don't know what King of the Heap is, it is a, how do I explain it? It's like a shitty racing thing at NCM. It's not shitty, it's dope, but it's all like shitty cars. As you can tell, King of the Heap. I don't know the exact rules. I think it's like under $1,000 cars. You have to have the title and everything. There's a whole bunch of rules, but we'll go over that another time. Who cares? Right now, we're gonna go in the garage because we're doing some modifications to get this thing ready for its awesome track day tomorrow. And it's probably gonna blow up. So hopefully it makes for some entertaining content. And what is Jory doing on this wonderful Friday evening?
I'm making a puzzle. What? I don't have anything else to do.
You come hang out in the garage and help us modify this sick Mazda.
Maybe later.
Someone come buy this thing. Whoa! Wasn't expecting that to be so... What the Why is your shirt off?
I was hot. I am hot.
This is just sweat. It's always been working.
You look extremely Slav right now.
Thank you.
Sid, you might have to put a shirt on though. Well, I gotta put the microphone on you.
Just a little bit about what we're doing. Cool. So this is our second car. It's a Mazda Protege for King of the Heap. We've got two cars. We got a Cavalier, which we've been running for 2 years in the same series. We also have this now. This was Liam's. It has now been changed into my hands, and it's going to live a happy second life at the track. Don't know how long the life is going to be, but should be a good time. You know, had a belt issue and some overheating issues, so we're just going to the number one fix there is. Head gasket in the bottle, pretty much. Just gonna save the car, see if we can get it through a day of racing. We do some road course, some autocross, as well as a speed stop challenge. So it should be a good time. We're gonna see what we can do, see what we can change this thing into, because right now it's a little plain, and we're gonna try to use some vinyl and make this thing a little bit more exciting. So we'll see what we can do. What in the...
So how are you supposed to get it back in?
Ryan, you scratched my bumper pulling this in here. I'm not very happy about it.
What is this?
It's an old spoiler off of... Oh, actually, it's off the Miata that's outside. When it was a Heap. Past tense.
It's not still a Heap.
Purpose-built off-road car. It's now what it is. It was a Heap. Now it's purpose-built.
This is the fucking worst. Mazda, get your shit together. This is what happens when an American company buys a Japanese company and thinks that they can do it better. You get a fucking coolant drain that's literally inside the subframe, the core support, where you can't get any fingers on it.
I don't know if you can pick it up, but there's some bearing noise coming from the water pump. I figured you probably could. But guess what? You just smile and act like you don't hear it. Here, hey, Liam, film me fill this up real quick. Yeah.
So step one.
Oh, it's a little bubbled, but you know, get the point across.
Excuse me.
I'm busy.
I didn't see that. Oh, a quarter! That's mine. I don't care if I bought it from you, it's mine. That's it. See, almost broke the window. See what I mean? But I mean, it's whatever. I don't think I really care to pull this third brake light. Oh, wait, it's moving. That means I'm interested. God, I fucking hate Liam so much. His stupid ass always following me around, filming me. Can't stand it. I'm so glad I'm in here and he can't hear me anymore. Ah! Does anybody have any scissors or a blade? Kitty scissors. Now kids, when you're in the car with your parents, especially if it's a new car, bring your kid safe scissors, cut the seatbelt. Your parents will thank you. Don't have to worry about that anymore. These little pop sockets right here, I was gonna say how annoying they were, but that one pulled right out. I don't know why. Mazda was dumb. These trunks on these cars don't open, they just don't work. So you have to remove everything out of the car, obviously. Sure. What? Did you get that open?
Shut that door.
3013 banner. You know, we stay repping 3013clothing.com. You know, you can find us on Instagram as well. 3013. Great clothes. Oh, merch plug. What up? Wearing the shirt right now. Yeah. That's gonna go on the Sunstrip. Dude, hold on. Dude, the paint. If no one gives me any more direction, it's gotta go to you.
Yeah, it's good.
I know, I'm trying.
Okay, pull it towards you. No, I'm fine.
Give it a roll. There we go. Smooth.
Call us at Miller's PDR and we'll take care of all your PDR needs. No. Just use it on the exhaust. You're making your life more difficult.
No.
How many blades do you have?
This one?
Is that your only one?
No, I got more, but this is the only like thick metal one I have.
This... I was not doubting whether or not it was going to do it. I knew it was going to do it. Oh, my name's Ryan. I'm just going to use a hacksaw because that's going to be easier. Wrong. Unbolt it. 2 bolts. This is what the official Mazda repair instructions say to do. Legit just bend and come right off.
I just pulled the shit out of it and it came straight off.
The bottom, starting from the bottom, I think was the move. Yeah. I started from the top. We are loading up right now at BG Stan's house to go to the hotel and meet the rest of the Dang Bros. They are on their way down with the championship-winning Cavalier. And then we're gonna go eat.
What are we in? How do you
Free limo, you watch your mouth.
How do you not fucking talk about what the fuck
Oh,
we're driving?
yeah. Right. So if you'll do a slow pan. Oh, wait. Yeah. This is my 1996 Cadillac Fleetwood limo. It's a funeral limo, 6 doors, 3 benches.
A funeral limo?
Yes, it was just a funeral limo. Yeah. So it's. I just put some wheels on it. I've got 20-inch US mag. I think they're the 111s. Gray face, polished lip, 10.5 in the rear. It barely fits in the skirt, but man, honestly, I just want to lower it a couple inches. I think it looks fucking awesome. So. Riding off with his girl. That's real fucked up. It's just dumb. It's a $2,000 limo. You know, I was planning to get a second fun car. I was gonna do like an E-Class of some sort, and lower it and put some wheels on it and just have another fun driver. But I saw this thing, and with my garage the way it is, I've got a big garage. I don't know if it's probably been in a couple of videos before, but I've got a big 8-car garage that's at the back of my shotgun house. So I can just back the limo right into it, and it's great for stuff like this. I can just throw all my friends in it and go out. It's just fun. It's fun. It's a good conversation piece. I'm gonna have to do a squeezy because there's 10 of us, but you know, I'm glad that's you guys in the middle seat. Nine.
Do more.
Oh my god.
Yes, it smells better than.
And my window will roll down.
That one doesn't work now. It did. Yeah, I went with all the people in here, it won't. Gonna check out this other limo. Will the lights turn on? Yeah.
2 seats or
Oh my god.
This thing's a lot nicer than yours.
Hey now. We're going out to put the finishing touches on Busby's Twinkle. Yeah, that's the name of the car, Busby's Twinkle, because at the Motorsports Park through the winter and through Christmas, they've done a lights show for everybody that is just like Christmas lights that they call Wendy's Twinkle. It's sponsored by Wendy's. So, Twinkle at the track, that's right.
We should do this right though.
So, Matt Busby, this is all only out of love, I promise. But your face is going on the hood of this car, and this is your Twinkle. I don't know how it attaches, but Matt Busby's face. I think he's in his Corvette here. I think that's the picture I stole. But yeah, it's gonna be right off the window, and hopefully he hates it. Oh my goodness, how good does that look on camera? Do it again. Number one, spelling.
Yeah.
M-A-Z-D-A.
M-A-Z-D-A.
Yeah.
R-A-D-I.
T.
Rati?
Yes. Maserati. Not
Two T's or
Maserati.
one T?
One.
Mazda Rati.
Which makes the A your middle letter.
Not the first A. Perfect.
Busby Twinkle. Bruh.
It's so bad.
the lobster. Look, here, pick it up right behind its head. If you pick up right behind its head, you can bite the head off and eat them. Do you want to try it?
No.
Good, because that's not what you're supposed to do. Is this thing off your insurance?
No.
Okay.
Well, I don't have coverage on that, so.
I know, but just in case. Well, initial reaction, first time driving it. It drives like a heap.
The handbrake's on. It does work.
Oh, it does. I thought you had let go of it when you pulled it the second time. I was like, I'm in danger. Why?
The struts are below.
I was gonna say,
Every bump you hit, they just fucking this car rides so much worse than the Lexus.
dude, it's blowing the tires off of the thing.
Oh god, this bump's gonna fucking suck. This is gonna suck. Oh god.
I mean, there's no point in taking it easy, right?
Right?
We need to know what issues it's gonna have. All right, I think 120 is fast enough. We'll slow down.
You got 120 out of this bitch?
It was going 70.
Oh.
Did you really think we were doing 120?
Yes, this thing feels like dead.
Dude, the steering wheel, like rubber, isn't even attached to
I know, it moves around. Custom, bro.
It's like a throttle. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
His name is Jesus.
Dude, solid. Dude.
Oh, I can smell cooler.
Oh, yeah. Well, this is the build. It's all done. Ready to get a night's sleep. Go out, hit the track tomorrow morning. We'll be out there with this and the Cavalier. We didn't get to show you the Cavalier this time, but I'm sure we'll get to see it tomorrow. I think this thing's going to do better than we thought. To be honest, it's a little bit quicker than I thought. It's lighter. It feels good. Honestly, it feels better than I thought it would for wet roads on back roads. And that truck is just going to ruin the entire thing. But either way, I'm just hoping the water pump will hold together, and the water pump's not going to lock up. But it's going to be a good day of racing. I'm excited either way.